we just talked about the femoral triangle, the boundaries of the femoral triangle, is it not? So adductor longus is here already, right? Then below this is adductor brevis.
Below
right?
it. Does it show from the other side or?
Yeah, this side.
Okay.
And then deep to it is adductor magnus. Deep to it, if we can remove the adductor longus, deep to it will be adductor magnus. This part of it, you see here, this part of it is arising from here, and then the deep part will come from the ischial tuberosity, right?
It's not clear.
Yeah, it's not clear, doctor. It's not clear.
What is it أصلاً عشان تكون
You mean this part
one.
is the magnus?
This deep part, the deep part, the deep part.
Which is?
This is the deep part inside, the deepest in the posterior compartment. Okay, the deepest in the posterior compartment. Okay, we have to remove. These are the superficial muscles only. If we turn from behind,
Maybe we can see it on the.
yeah, we will come to it when we show this deepest part. Okay, you see this part is adductor magnus. Can you see this one? This one. Otherwise, if you want to identify, just look at the vessels from where they are emerging out. Because I said femoral will become popliteal through an opening in the adductor magnus. Okay. So if you are not able to identify adductor magnus, look at the vessels here. Where are the vessels? Look at these vessels. Yes. Yes, these are the vessels, is it not?
Yeah.
So where are they emerging from? This deep part. This muscle. You see? This opening.
Yeah.
Got it?
Kind of.
Yeah.
It's a bit difficult
Because it is very deep. This is the deepest. Adductor magnus. Because we said it is the femoral vessels, they are becoming popliteal through an opening in the adductor magnus. So look for
for these
this
vessels.
deep part here. Okay, this part.
أيوة
This part.
بالضبط شفتيها هذه
Look at the
vessels.
vessels to be able to identify
دخلت
adductor
يدك.
magnus. Okay, it is not so superficial here. Superficially, we have the biceps and
دخلت يدك.
semitendinosus and semimembranosus
غطيت هذه
on the
بيدك
posterior
بشوي.
side. So we have to look deep for adductor magnus.
Yes.
What is the pectineus?
Pectineus, I showed you in the femoral triangle here itself. Is it not? Iliacus, psoas, and then pectineus. Right? Then we have the adductor longus. If we remove adductor longus, this is brevis. And then if we remove adductor longus, then we find brevis above and magnus below. But if you can see magnus from the posterior side, the deepest part, look at the vessels,
And then you
look
find-
from where they are emerging, right? Then you will be able to identify all this is adductor magnus. Okay? So the same part from here, but it is very deep here. Okay? Like
Okay.
this.
Doctor, is this one is the gracilis?
Which one? The one that's cut? Yeah, she said. You mean this one?
We will come to it. We will come to it.
This one?
Okay?
قوية ما تنقطع.
Is it the gracilis muscle?
We will come to it.
مسكتيها؟
We will come to the posterior compartment. Wait. These are the. We have the sciatic nerve dividing it into tibial and common peroneal nerve.
Stretched like this?
No, it is like that. It is like that.
Stretched.
Isn't this muscle from the medial compartment?
Yeah, we will come to it. We will come to it. Okay. So,
Yes.
لا عادي تمكن.
Doctor, what is the gracilis?
okay.
مو pectineus.
So this is
عشان
the
أمسك.
lateral side. And then
علشان أوضح بعض الأحيان.
كذا كويس.
والله بعض الأحيان أسحب مصل هذه.
كويس الموضوع.
ما تستاهلون برسل فيديو لكل البنات
so
اللي
this
عندهم.
is gracilis here.
So this one is gracilis, the one that's cut.
Yeah.
شوف بنات المقطوعة إيش اسمها؟
Because then if you go to the posterior compartment, right, which is identify the lateral side and medial side first. Which is lateral side?
This is medial,
هذا lateral هذا lateral.
lateral, and this is
Medial.
medial. لا صح. وين أيوة صح.
عشان تعرفون اللاترال من الميديال.
I want to show you the muscles of the posterior compartment. That's why I'm asking you for lateral and medial side.
بين واضح.
We identified gracilis. Okay. Yes. Then we identified pectineus to finish the adductor compartment. Then we identified the adductor longus. Then I showed you brevis. Then I showed you magnus. So each muscle, how to identify without any confusion. Clear? Adductor longus will form the boundary of femoral triangle. To identify adductor magnus, look at the vessels. Okay. Just below adductor longus is adductor brevis. Sartorius is very easy to identify. All of you can identify sartorius. So the most laterally is sartorius, the most medially is gracilis, right? In simpler words, just to summarize, the most laterally is sartorius, most medially you will have the gracilis, right?
Okay.
In the floor of the triangle you will have the pectineus. Among the adductor group, again the boundary of the femoral triangle is adductor longus. Is it not? Iliacus you cannot see in this massive, but you can see here in this. So iliacus will arise from this area. Is it not? Iliacus will arise from this area which you are not able to see. Where does iliacus arise from? This is iliacus fossa. We studied about iliac fossa. So it will arise from iliacus.
So
fossa.
it is the red region here.
Yeah, the red region. All this is iliacus. Now the psoas will arise from the bodies of the lumbar vertebra. It will arise from the bodies of lumbar. So these iliac and psoas, they will form a common tendon, which we call it as ilio-psoas tendon. Okay.
And then the
They
attachment
get
is the
to
medial side.
To the trochanter of the femur, lesser trochanter of the femur, is it not? It's like you have the biceps for the radial tuberosity, same like that. Okay. Now where is the attachment of? We will go to gluteal muscles later.
Ah, okay.
Clear? Adductor compartment clear? What is the adductor compartment? No. Right? Adductor compartment you want? Obturator, no. Except the magnus, where the ischial part in addition is pierced by the sciatic nerve.